Hello friends, I'm Rohit Khurana on Intellect Digest, and this what you see in front of you is the HP gaming series laptop known as Victus. This is the 16-inch new Victus 2023 latest edition, which comes with a nice gaming oriented keyboard, and here you see a full speaker grill over here. Let me give you a quick first look of it. And so this one is nicely in blue color, and this Victus branding or V branding you can see here, as well as behind Victus branding here. BNO audio, Core i5 GeForce RTX series, and there is 165 Hz refresh rate on this one. What caught my eye instantly was these huge air vents that you can see running from this end to this end. So huge air vents here, and not only here, if you just pick it up and you look at the bottom of this laptop, huge cooling system to make your gaming experience better. And on the left you can see there is an RJ45 Ethernet port, and next to it is a full size USB port. On the other end you will see charging port, a full size HDMI, and next to the HDMI is a USB, another USB, and a Type-C port. So two Type A here, one Type A here, one Type-C here, and that's pretty much it. I don't think there is a 3.5mm on that side, but yeah, 3.5mm jack is provided on the left side. And this is the 16-inch display, which is not very reflective, sort of anti-glare, very nice texture to it. The color production and the display quality seems pretty good. There's a number lock or number keypad here, and a full-size keyboard, which looks pretty good, and it comes with a lot of options to choose from in terms of configuration, and starts at a very competitive price tag of around 60,000 rupees onwards. Basically, the higher configuration you go, the more you will have to pay, but it starts around 60,000. And on top here you can see the webcam and microphones, etc. The bezels are pretty slim, and it looks nice in terms of the design and appearance. Huge cooling systems, and this pretty much sums up the first look, and we'll give you detailed reviews later on once we spend some time with these machines. Till then, stay tuned, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.